Just over 9 years ago, when H&K Cycle Club started with a humble beginning with about 20 riders, and now we're seeing around 160 plus riders taking part in our national ride. Over the 9 years, hundreds of riders took part in our national ride, and as a result, we have teamed up with numerous charities and supported many projects around the world. It has been a privilege working with Muntada Aid on several projects in the past. This year, we have teamed up with Muntada Aid again to provide large communal wells in Niger.
It was only 2 days ago we were thinking whether we were even going to reach 60,000, right? There's a lot of volume in the message, traffic in the message group on our WhatsApp group. But Allahu Akbar, we've now got 70,000 plus. So with that 70,000, you're looking at over 23 wells, and that's serving over 2,300 people on a daily basis and their livestock. And we just need to take a time to think about that. Just the fact that we're cycling from here to Clacton, for most of us, it's just a normal sort of club ride, 70, 80 mile ride, fairly flat and relatively flat route as well. And yet, just by this, collectively, we're going to be helping a Sadaqah Jariyah project on a daily basis of 2,300 people to get what is basically the essential life water and the livestock as well.
Inshallah, when some of you will visit with us to the country, you will see the situation in Niger. And you will realize, you will say, you know what, 25 water wells or 23 water wells that we were able to do is far less than what is required to do. So may Allah reward you, may Allah accept it from you, may Allah give you ikhlas, sincerity, and may Allah write in your skills of good deeds, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you the strength to do much more, inshallah, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, ameen, thumma ameen.
This is Omer, OEP division. Mashallah, we are at the first break point. Well, 27 miles in or something like that. Fantastic ride. Look at that enthusiasm. Beautiful weather. Fantastic course. It's no problem at all. Halfway now. We're in a town called Malden. We've got another 42 miles to go. We've got the wind on our side, and as you can see, lovely weather. Rubbers are looking strong. So we're expecting to arrive in Clacton around 5:30 with 165 riders. Mashallah, it's going really well.
It's the second ride, so now we're halfway through, and brothers have been amazing, supporting, the setup as always from H&K, it's been fantastic.
Alhamdulillah, it's been a brilliant ride, the views have been fantastic, the brothers have been fantastic, and that's it, so I'll make dua for us, inshallah, we'll get there safe, and we'll see you on the other side.
for completing this national ride. The coach is here as well now, so we're under pressure. Again, I just want to thank Muntada Aid for being our this year charity partner again. We worked with them for a while. This year's, again, that's been official fundraising, if I can get it. Just want to double check, I did read it right. Alhamdulillah, we've actually reached over £72,000 now. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
My name is Abdul. This is my first national ride, and I just want to thank all the brothers for allowing me to participate. Special thanks to Norfolk Boy and Martin Boy for bearing with me through the training, and special thanks to Trans Boy and all the supporting brothers for bearing with us and helping organising this ride. Jazakallah.
I heard about this group 3 years ago. And I was just overwhelmed by what they were doing, and I said I needed to join for my health and for the charity. And this is my second ride, and it's just unbelievable. It just gets better. Shambai and his group, they're on it.
This is my first national ride with H&K Cycle Club. To be honest, when I started the training, I didn't feel like I was built for it, but Alhamdulillah, come a long way, and what an achievement. But just want to say a few words for the brothers, H&K brothers. They've been amazing throughout the training rides, and even today, the organization's on point. I can't ask for any more support from what they've given. It's amazing. So Jazakallah khair, may Allah reward you immensely in this life and hereafter. Jazakallah khair.
Alhamdulillah, it was a great ride. We've been doing it for a while, but these brothers, Khairul is his first ride. Is that your first ride or the second one? Second one. This is a kind of old school. Alhamdulillah, it was a brilliant ride. Fortunate with the weather today, and it's for a great cause. So we've managed to smash the target. So very pleased with that.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our charity partner, Muntada Aid, and all the riders that participated in this year's national ride. Special thanks to all our volunteers. They gave up their time to support this event. Support team are backbone for all our events, and to them we are forever grateful. May Allah reward them all abundantly. Ameen. Alhamdulillah, fundraise from London to Clacton ride will provide 26 solar-powered water wells in the much-needed area of Niger. In fact, Muntada Aid have built 10 water wells already. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for regular updates at H&K Cycle Club. Next year, we'll be reaching a milestone. It will be our 10th national ride, inshallah. Join us next year for that special ride.